फिल्मों में जो आम जिंदगी में आलू का महत्व होता है वो मेरा फिल्मों में महत्व होता है। आलू हर सब्जी में चला जाता है, आलू मटर, आलू गोभी, आलू बैंगन, आलू पालक, आलू मीट, आलू ये सब। आई थिंक I am like that in real life also. I don't judge people. And because I don't judge people, I can be friends with everybody. And it's not only with stars or it's not, but other people also. I don't judge my driver, I don't judge my spot boy, I don't judge the chowkidar.
Okay, let me.
And also, I must tell you that people are very, it comes across कि जो फिल्मों में होते हैं बड़े strong होते हैं. I think film people are the most fragile people. They can easily get hurt because every Friday decides their future. You can ask me differently.
No, let me rephrase the question. Why do people in the film industry, when asked about anybody else, are always diplomatic? Why can't they speak upfront?
Because we are scared that it will be misunderstood. It will go against us. Why don't we say things against a politician so easily? Why don't we say? But I think I still feel that film industry is much better a place because equations keep changing. So it's very difficult to say, and you can only say it to the person you trust. I may not want to say something to the press that I don't like so and so. If I have to say something, I'll say it to the person separately, basically.
Okay. You have always taken, I saw you on television when Anna Hazare was doing the thing in Delhi, you were there, and you have always stood up and made your political views very clear and things like that. Have you ever thought of joining politics?
Sometimes, long time back, about 10, 12 years back, I wanted to be the Prime Minister of the country. Seriously. I said that if I think that the system is not right, I must change it, and I must and I'm a dreamer. So I used to tell my friends that one day I will be the Prime Minister of this country. But I think now I'm much more realistic. At the present stage, for another 5 years, I think we will only have one MP in the House, and maybe for next year, 7 years later, I may join politics. But it's not, right now, it's not in my radar.
So you will also join politics, then Sikandar will join politics, then
Really,
you'll have dynastic politics.
I will only want to be known as an actor. That's my first and last identification. I would like that.
Okay. So, since you want to be known as an actor.
Why do I feel that you are going to trap me?
No, I'm trying to. I'm not. I wish Sonia had given me more time, but. Okay, you said you want to be known as an actor.
Yeah, that's primarily.
So my question to you then is, if you were to be reborn as an actor, which actor would you like to be reborn as?
Only as Anupam Kher. What an interesting
ये तो
life.
मुझे पता था. This is तो.
But what an interesting. Which other actors has as interesting a life? Which other actor was born to a clerk in the forest department? Did not get more than 38% marks? Was so slow that one day my teacher saw me running and he said, even if you run alone, you will come second. I came from a no background. Today I have done 482 films. I have won each and every award. I have written a book and I have had a most interesting life. Why will I want to somebody else? I will want the same life again. You're not very happy.
No,
would you like to be somebody else as reborn as?
No.
With anybody of you will be born as somebody else? No, but किसी के मन में चल रहा है कुछ? No. So I don't think so. That's the first rule of respecting yourself, who you are.
Interesting. I never thought about it that way.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find a question that will put Anupam Kher on the spot.
Don't worry, थोड़ी देर बाद ये सब पूछने वाले हैं ना उनको.
अच्छा.
They will do your job.
Today is that one day when you will have an opportunity to try and put him on the spot. Okay, so please do that if I don't succeed. My next question to you is, in the industry, if you have to choose one person for whom you will be willing to give your life for, whom will that be?
Myself. Why will I give my life?